Delete Ubisoft account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete or close your Ubisoft account. So then to begin with this procedure, check your internet connection, open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser on the web address bar, type in www.account.ubisoft.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of a Ubisoft account, and make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you need to click on account management, and this is going to take you to the account management page. So under account management, in the left hand side bar, click on account information. After that, this is going to take you to the account information page. Once you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find a link to close your Ubisoft account. If you want to close your Ubisoft account, so click on close, but before that make sure to go through the following statement. Only then tap on the close button. So over here, a pop-up menu appears. So go through all of these information, and if you're sure about closing your account, then mark on this terms and condition and click on close my. Now that you have successfully requested for an account to be closed, so for 30 days your account will be deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can delete or close your Ubisoft account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.